Hey everyone, we have a little treat for you today, and I'm going to post this into several of the A-liner videos so you can see how easy it is to set up and tear down an A-liner trailer. So Chuck is with us here from A-liner. He's been gracious enough to do it, and we thought since they've already got one set up, it's going to get torn down and then put back up so you can see how simple and easy, and most importantly, how super quick it is, so that you can enjoy your camping experience. Thank you, Chuck. I'm going to turn it over to you and go right ahead.
Sounds great. Yeah, this is our Ranger 12. This unit comes in under 1,700 pounds with a hitch weight of 178. Typical A-liner literally folds up and down in less than a minute both ways, so we'll show you how that works. When you come inside, you basically make sure everything is below the hinge line on either side, so your stovetop's down, faucet's down, cushions are folded down. There's two latches that secure each side wall. I always start in the back first because it's easiest to reach them that way. When the second latch comes out, the first wall comes down and it's super light, one hand light. Last latch on this side and the top half of the door on latches. It folds in right while you stand in the doorway. Give a little push on the front roof panel to release the rear one evenly. Step out and close both halves of your door. And then you just grab your rear roof panel, pull it down. You got one road latch on each side and you're ready to roll.
That's fantastic, super easy.
You can see the awesome super low profile while you're towing, so you can see over and around the vehicle. Garageable if you live in a homeowners association area. And then all four corners have springs built into it, so the roof panel kind of starts to assist itself up. Push it until it locks in. There's a channel built into the front roof panel where the rear one locks into that, so it's capped and sealed for weather. The wall's up. Latch them into place and you're ready to camp.
And just for those of you that aren't maybe watching the time clock, that I was watching the time clock while filming, and that was about 25 seconds to put your A-liner together. And now you could break out the barbecue and start having some lunch.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Chuck. I really appreciate that, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out all our other A-liner videos. Get out to your local dealer and find the unit that works for you. Thanks, guys. Take care.